Right now we are at RML Hospital in Delhi. All resident doctors are protesting because one female trainee doctor was brutally raped and murdered in Paschim Bengal. They are demanding their safety and justice. Ma'am, what are your demands for this case?
We have three main demands. First, there should be a CBI investigation, a fast-track CBI investigation, because the state government is trying just to suppress the matter. The second is that we want CPA, that is Central Protection Act, for doctors to be implemented as soon as possible. And the third is that the RGCR authorities, who are highly irresponsible, they all should be removed from their posts permanently. Otherwise, if we are not feeling safe as a doctor, as a female, then how are we going to work and produce good results for our patients?
All the resident doctors are protesting and demanding justice and their safety as well. We will talk to other female doctor as well, because it's a matter of safety of all. This is not the first case happening in Paschim Bengal. This is not the first case of raping a female doctor. This particular case shook the nation. But as a female doctor, what are your concerns?
I could not sleep at night thinking of what that lady, what my fellow female doctor went through. It is heartbreaking, it is gut-wrenching. And the worst part about this thing is that these things do not continue to stop. They just keep on happening. Some day it's a doctor, another day it's some lady from another profession. It is not tolerable at all. How can we sleep at night thinking our women are not safe even at their workplaces? It's absolutely unacceptable.
When we talk about doctor, we say they are God, they are saving our life. But right now, doctors are also not safe in their work premises, which is a hospital.
Yes. See, if we are not able to protect ourselves, then how will we protect the people who come to us? If we are not able to do our duty, then the entire nation is at risk. And this is not it's only in one place, it's a single incident. The entire country has had multiple incidents. Every hospital has incidents of, maybe it's on a smaller scale, of molestation. Every female at night, all of us think, if let's say on duty, we have to go at night to have food, we will think twice if this route is safer or that route is safer. And when we are here to save lives, literally, how can this be the first thing on our minds?
All the resident doctors have said that this is not a one-day protest, it's an indefinite protest, and which is directly impacting the patient who are coming for OPD and operation and for testing, because the resident doctors are not available. They are on protest, they are doing strikes and asking for their safety and justice. With camera person Sunil and Amika Gaur, India TV.